Hey guys, what's up? Gary G back again with another video. Today, I got a special video. I'm over here at Double E Trucking, also Liquid Mafia. These guys have full-on trucks that go to truck shows, and I'm here with Junior, the owner of JMD Mobile Detailing, and he is the one that takes care of all these vehicles. So we're gonna get a word from him about what he does.
Yeah, so what we do here, we come out every week. We wash every tank, every semi, quick wax, tire shine, the whole deal. So when these trucks go out Monday, they're fully shined up on the road. It's very rare when they're dirty, you know.
Yeah.
So
They all look really nice.
yeah, so we use mirror finish products on these trucks, from tire shine to the quick wax to the, to the soaps.
Everything.
Everything. So,
pretty much all the same stuff that I use as well.
Yeah.
If you guys are interested in that, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment to show me that you're interested in that kind of footage. All right, so now we're getting into it. Just like any other wash, these guys start off with rinsing and then foaming down with atomic bomb soap, my mirror finish. And then you're going to see that there's a lot going on because there's a three-man crew. You got some guys over here that are degreasing tires. Some of the guys are already starting to wash. And from there, what I had noticed is that they like to break a lot of things up into sections. So you'll see here they're working on the front end of the truck, but they haven't even started working on the cab or, the back where the back wheels are or anything like that. Another thing I thought that was really cool was when I saw him bust open the hood and start working on the engine, as part of the normal weekly detail. And it was just really cool to see all the boost tubes that were painted the same as the frame with the purple and the pinstriping. And after they did that, the rest of the team was working on the hood. So you can see there's a lot of multitasking going on here, which is essential to getting all of this done on such a big rig. So being that the hood is in direct sunlight, they're going to go ahead and rinse off all the soap. They're using deionized water, but still it is best practice to, rinse off the panels that are in direct sunlight. Now, while they're doing that, the engine has been soaking in atomic bomb. Atomic bomb is not a strong high pH soap, but it is a really good cleaner. So this is definitely breaking down some of the grime before they go in for the hand wash. All right, so you can see the whole front is done, the engine is done, it's looking beautiful, and now they're moving on to the middle part, so the cab, and they're moving on to the stacks. Now, these guys are using Bug Off Dry. I've actually never done that, but they obviously know what they're doing. They sprayed it on there, and then immediately went back to the other side to rinse it off to make sure that it's nice and clean. And it's removing all of those bugs with really no problem at all. And directly after that, Junior went in to foam everything down as far as the cab and the tanks and everything in the rear. So these guys are doing the same steps on the second section. They're washing all the stacks and the top of the cab. Nick is working on washing the tank here. They're washing the windshield. They're going to rinse it, repeat. Same thing for each section. All right, so after rinsing comes my favorite part. If you guys know me, you know I love this. This is Touchless by Mirror Finish. It's a ceramic spray and rinse sealant. We're going to lay it down on all surfaces, and then we're going to go ahead and rinse it off and have immediate ceramic protection. It's really amazing. So the whole front section is done now, and Junior's finishing it up, and it's going to be protected for the next 60 to 90 days with a healthy layer of ceramic, thanks to Touchless. So now that we've done the whole front section, I'm not going to go through the same exact steps for the tank. It's all exactly the same, but I am going to show you the application of Touchless ceramic rinse and seal sealant on the tank before and after, just because, like I said, it is such an amazing product. All right, guys, so we are to the finishing touches. I want to thank everybody who's still watching this video. I really appreciate you sticking around. Junior here is putting on premium tire shine dressing by Mirror Finish. It's truly amazing water-based dressing. It just gives an amazing finish. Junior is using the Glass Cleaner 2020 Vision to clean these polished aluminum wheels up, which is a way I haven't thought of using it before, but it worked really well. And Junior is actually doing this to clean it up before he used Mirror Finish Mirror Maker, which is a spray metal polish. It actually works really good for taking off a light oxidation on the wheels and just giving it that final pop that you see right here. All right, guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys sticking around for this one. This is a big one. I had a lot of people that made this happen, so I need to give a special shout out to Double E Trucking in Kerman, California, to the guys at Liquid Mafia. Make sure you guys check them out. Also, Mirror Finish. As you know, I love Mirror Finish products. They provided all the products for this video. And a special thanks to Junior and the team over at JMD Details. They're here in Fresno, California. Make sure you guys check them out. I'm gonna have everybody's social links down below. I'm also gonna have links to all these products, and I have a discount code for you guys. I already had a discount code for touchless, which was just Stay Slick for 10% off. Now it works for all 4 of these products. It also works for their 2020 glass product. It also works for their Mirror Maker, the spray on metal polish as well. So just Stay Slick, all one word, lowercase, 10% off, 6 different products, and you can get all the stuff that we use in this video. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys, all my Stay Slick family. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this kind of content. There's already a few other people that want me to do videos for their business. And if you guys want to see how people get things done, like in this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. You guys have a good one. Peace. Stay slick. Let's get it.